Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today just got a quick unboxing and initial impressions video on this Bauer 20V handheld airless sprayer. This is a new release that they just came out with. They didn't even have it on the shelf in the store the other day when I picked this up, but I saw it online and I wanted to try it out. So I'm just going to do a quick take it out of the box, give you my initial thoughts, talk a little bit about the specs and stuff because there's not a lot of info out about this product yet. And I'll do a little bit more in-depth video later after I get a chance to use it. I'm not going to be able to do that yet today, but I mean, the main reason I'm picking this tool up, one, I do a lot of small little touch-up work and little projects, and this seems like it would be ideal for that. Two, to it's a new product, and to put some information out there for everyone that might be thinking about picking this up. So let me flip the box over and show you some of the information that's on the back here. Okay, so some information about this. Again, it's a 20V airless sprayer, so you can spray unthinned latex paints and thicker materials with this. It's a piston pump design. This comes with a reversible spray tip. I believe it comes with a 514 spray tip, so that'd be good for thick materials. You can get a smaller spray tip for thinner materials. I think you can get some wider spray tips also. It has a rotating tip holder, so you can do a horizontal or vertical pattern with this, just like you would see in a Graco or something like that type spray gun. And it's a reversible and replaceable spray tip. So again, you can change these out, put smaller or larger tips in them, depending on what material and what type of situation you're shooting in. And then you can also reverse it. If you get a clog, you can just reverse this tip real quick. You can just spin it around and blow the clog out and then turn it back. This works with their reusable cup liners. I believe this comes with 2 of them. So that helps keep the paint cup clean. So you can just, you can use the reusable cup or disposable liners in it, either or. And it's vacuum sealed, so this thing is supposed to be able to spray upside down in all positions, which is nice. A little bit different than an HVLP gun, where you got to kind of spray, with, gravity working with you instead of against you. This has a 2-speed control. That's nice, so you can have a high or a low. It has a purge valve here to prime the material once you get it loaded up. It says it's lightweight, ergonomically balanced. We'll see when we get this out of the box. They do recommend using this with a 3-amp battery. I'm currently not in any of the Bauer power tool, not on the Bauer power tool platform, so I picked up a charger and a battery. All the rest of my power tool stuff is Makita. So this is my first non-Makita power tool system that I need a battery system for. This wasn't terrible. This battery was 45 bucks. The charger was 25 bucks. If you buy this and the battery and the charger at the same time, they take $20 off of the sprayer at Harbor Freight, which is nice. This does retail for $199.99. And that puts it about a third of the cost as the cordless Graco. I know right now, I think Home Depot is doing a deal on the cordless Graco for like $5.50. That comes with a couple of batteries. But this still, everything out the door with this, the battery, the charger, and I got the extended warranty on this, was under 300 bucks. Out the door at the time of purchase. So, it's roughly half the cost of the Graco, and, I'll have the extended warranty on it. So, we'll give it a shot. I know this probably isn't the best. The Graco probably is a better unit. I've never used the Graco, but for my needs, handyman type projects and quick touch-ups, I'm not going to be using this thing every day. So, figured I'd give it a shot. So it comes with the sprayer, 3 cup liners, 2 tips. That's nice. It comes with a 514 tip and a 312 tip. So the 514 is a 10-inch wide pattern with a little bit higher flow. The 312 tip is a 6-inch wide pattern with a finer flow if you're using stains or thin paints. It comes with storage fluid, a cleaning brush, a cleaning tool, 2 extra bleed valve plugs, a cup support adapter, and a shoulder strap. So this thing probably is a little heavy, so the shoulder strap might be a good thing. So let me go ahead and open this box up and show you what's inside. Okay guys, so this is everything that comes in the box. Of course, you got your spray gun there, got some storage fluid for when you're not using this thing to run through it to help keep the piston pump system lubricated for storage. Comes with a few extra cup liners here. It's got one in it. It's got the cup stand support adapter. So what this does is when, I'll show you in a second, when you have the battery attached, this just extends the length of the cup so that the tool stands up evenly. Comes with your instructions. Haven't opened these up yet. Comes with your spray tips and some assorted cleaning tools. So we got the 312 tip, the 514 tip, and then the shoulder strap and some cleaning tools and stuff in there. So that's nice. And then our quick start guide here that shows all the different parts of the gun. We've got the nozzle guard here, the spray tip would go right in there. So you'd insert your spray tip there. You can see you can rotate the tip holder, you know, for either horizontal or vertical. The whole tip holder comes off. This is just like on a Graco or the same as the Harbor Freight Airless electric corded airless spray system, which I have, and I've had mixed results with that. We've got our 2-speed selector switch up here. We've got our prime valve. We've got our air bleed valve down here, the paint cup, the cup liner. This has a nice trigger lock down here. So right now the trigger lock is on, so you can't accidentally pull it, and you push that off. It's got a good positive trigger. It's basically just on off. There's no variable speed to this trigger. It seems nice and positive. 2-speed control here. Seems like it, again, nice positive switch there. So let me go ahead and put the battery on it and this cup adapter so I can kind of give you some impressions of the ergonomics of it. Okay, so now I've got the 3 amp hour battery, which they do recommend the 3 amp hour battery for this, not the 1.5. I suppose you could also use the 5 amp hour battery with this also. And I've got this cup adapter clipped on now to the bottom of the paint cup. So just basically, you can see, just evens out the ergonomics there. So when you're working, you can just set this thing down on a flat surface and it'll stand up. Without this, it would tend to lean a little bit and maybe tip over. So first thoughts are that this is, with the battery on it, this is a little heavy. It's obviously a lot heavier than just using an airless spray gun on the end of a hose. If we fill this thing up with paint, it's going to get a little heavier, probably a half a pound heavier or so with the paint. I'd say this is probably, I don't know, 5 pounds or so. Again, so it's not terrible, but you don't want to be using this all day. Where this tool is going to shine is, you know, you got to paint a couple of doors, you've got to paint, you know, maybe a section of fence, maybe you're just going to do some random wall touch-ups, you know, and stuff like that. You know, just random projects. You know, again, I haven't sprayed with this yet. I literally just took this thing out of the box, but I probably wouldn't want to spray, you know, a whole wall with this. I mean, I think you certainly could. But I don't think that this is probably the right tool for high volume. You know, if I had to paint, you know, say I had to paint, repaint that door right there, this might be the right tool for that. If I had, you know, maybe some baseboards that need to be repainted, or just, you know, oddball projects, which I personally do a lot of, I think this will be the right tool for that. You know, again, if you're, you know, a handyman or a contractor and you're going to go in and paint the whole room, Probably not the best tool, but you know, we'll see. This is gonna kind of be the end of this video. Like I said, just wanted to take it out of the box, give you guys, you know, a quick tour and some initial impressions. It feels like it's relatively quality built. Like I said, I don't have anything else, you know, power tool wise from Bauer or from Harbor Freight at all. But it seems like it's made decent. A little twist there. Maybe not quite as robust as, you know, Milwaukee or Makita or DeWalt, stuff like that. But, you know, again, this is, you know, it comes in at a more economical price point. As far as I'm aware right now, this is the only other cordless airless paint sprayer that I'm aware of besides the Graco True Coat, which again, you know, it's about $500 to $600 depending on where and how you buy it. You know, again, the retail on this is $299. The retail on this is $199, and then $20 off if you get a battery and a charger with it. And you know, you get the extended warranty. I think on this one, the 2-year extended warranty was $30 or $40. So, you know, in a couple of years, if this thing's not spraying well anymore, you know, bring it back and get a new one. You know, definitely a little bit, you know, more economical and maybe a better value proposition than the Graco for, you know, your typical do-it-yourself or handyman type guys that aren't out there making money with it every single day. You know, and there is, you know, you do pay a difference in the quality of tools. You know, if you're using something every day to earn your living, you know, you want that extra, you know, robustness and extra durability than you do, say, something like this. So I hope you got some, you know, I apologize for the echo. I'm in an empty house, and hopefully this doesn't come out too bad. But I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, you know, please feel free to share it. You know, give me a thumbs up, and I will be doing an actual, you know, test and review with this thing very shortly. Thanks.